And about 1,000 youth in Kisii County are set to be offered technical and vocational skills training to empower them start businesses in various sectors. The training, being financed by KCB Foundation, will focus on building and construction, carpentry, electrical installation, catering and hospitality, automotive, engineering, domestic services, sustainable agribusinesses, beauty and personal care, IT and creative arts.
And the deal between KCB Foundation and the Kisii County government beneficiaries will, upon completion of their training, receive industry-specific toolkits to help them start their own businesses and transition into self-employment. Kisii Governor Simba Arati says the training will boost both youth employability and the local economy.
This is a significant milestone towards empowering the young people of Kisii County. We also want to recognize the efforts of all the KCB group staff who also worked with the county leadership in the various villages and were able to talk about this program and sensitize the young people to be able to join this program.
The training will be delivered through National Industrial Training Authority certified technical and vocational education training institutions.
The importance of vocational training cannot be gainsaid, as it addresses growing level of unemployment currently experienced in the country, given that the graduates are able to go directly into self-employment through self-reliance skills.